If you've ever wanted to make your Lucidchart diagrams look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read, learning how to align objects is one of the fastest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to align shapes in Lucidchart step by step, so you can quickly tidy up your diagrams, flowcharts, and layouts without wasting time moving everything by hand. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document and decide which objects you want to line up. You can align shapes, text boxes, icons, or any other items on the canvas. To select multiple objects, hold down the Shift key and click each shape one by one. This is useful when you only want to pick specific items instead of selecting everything around them. If you want a faster method, you can also click and drag a selection box across the objects with your mouse. That will highlight everything inside the box, which is especially helpful when you're working with several shapes at once. Once your objects are selected, the next step is to access the alignment tools. In Lucidchart, you can do this by right-clicking on any of the selected items. When the menu opens, hover your cursor over a line. This will reveal the available alignment options. Depending on what you're trying to create, Lucidchart gives you several ways to line up your shapes so your design stays balanced and organized. Now, let's go through the main alignment options. If you choose left or right, Lucidchart will line the selected shapes up to the left or right edge of the object you clicked on. This is great when you want all your items to start at the same vertical edge. If you choose top or bottom, the shapes will align to the top or bottom edge of the object you right-clicked. This works well when you want neat rows or stacked sections. If you want the object centered evenly, use center. This aligns the selected shapes to the horizontal midpoint, which is ideal for vertical stacks of objects that need to sit in the same center line. And if you're building a row of shapes across the page, use middle. That aligns the objects to the vertical midpoint, which helps keep everything perfectly level across the same line. The key here is to think about the layout you're building before you choose the alignment option. For example, if you're making a flowchart and want all your process boxes to line up neatly, center or middle can help create a polished structure. If you're arranging labels or boxes next to each other, left and top alignment can make the entire diagram feel cleaner and more consistent. After choosing the alignment type, Lucidchart will instantly move the selected objects into place. If the result doesn't look quite right, you can always undo it and try a different alignment option. That flexibility makes it easy to experiment until your diagram looks exactly the way you want it. A good tip is to combine alignment with spacing adjustments. Aligning objects helps keep them straight, but spacing helps keep them evenly distributed. When both are used together, your diagram looks much more professional and much easier for other people to understand. Even a simple layout can look polished when the shapes are lined up properly. So to quickly recap, hold Shift and click each object you want to align, or drag a selection box around them. Then right-click, hover over a line, and choose the alignment type that fits your layout best. Whether you need left, right, top, bottom, center, or middle, Lucidchart makes it easy to organize your content with just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.